Okay, second experiment. We have renin activity and the effect of pH. So, similar to the previous one, we're going to have 8 test tubes in a water of warm water. That's meant to say in a water bath of warm water. All right. So these are going to all be the same temperature. All right. Doesn't matter what temperature they are, but they're going to be the same temperature. We are then going to place the following in the test tubes. Now, you don't have to stress too much about this. We are going to have all of this supplied for you. It's just so that you know the method. All right. So we're going to have 0.1. We're going to have 2 mils of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, and that'll give us a pH of 1. Then we're going to have 2 mils of 1 molar acetic acid, that'll give us a pH of 4. We're going to have 2 mils of deionized water, that's water is neutral, so it's going to give us a pH of 7. Then we're going to have 2 mils of 1 molar sodium hydroxide, and that's going to give us a pH of 9. So we're going to have hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, deionized water, and sodium hydroxide here. Alright. So we need to keep the same in each test tube. We need the temperature. It's going to be warm. We're going to be the amount of renin. Alright, I'm going to show you that technique for that there, and we're going to go the amount of milk. So we are going to keep I think it's going to be 30 mils again, so 30 mils per test tube, and there's a little bit extra in the one that's got the renin because the renin takes up some space as well. Alright, cool. Moving on, let's identify the variables. So the independent is what we made each of these test tubes. So it's the pH of the solution. What's different about them? It's the pH. And again, we're going to measure the time it takes for the milk to set. Quicker the time, the higher the renin activity. Similar setup. Alright, so experiment 2, renin activity and pH. Results table. Are we expecting acids to, or alkaline substances, are we expecting the pH just to curdle the milk by itself? Don't know. I don't think so. There's a small chance we might see some activity, and that's a kind of discussion question for later on. Why might we see it when we change the pH? But hopefully we only see results here. And we get to record them. So similar factor, we've got a scale of pH, increasing pH up here, and then we're going to put our 1 over x, and that's going to show us an appropriate graph along here.